Hi everyone. Do you think there's a possibility that someone, when they're driving, could crash on purpose? Well, I've been sent this video that we're going to have a look at in a minute that made me think exactly that.
The vehicles that we're watching are the one directly in front and the van with its signal on to the right. What are your first impressions on seeing that? I think my viewer's first reaction sums it up.
Really?
Let's dig a little deeper. There's not actually much to go through, but there are a few key points that I'd like to point out. And this one's the first one. The driver in front has been slow away when the queue in front started to move. Have a look at the gap further up the road. Now, I'm not sure whether this was through a lack of attention, but it's told the van driver to the right, who's got the signal on, "Go on mate, after you." Then the Honda accelerates. Surely the driver could see the white van at that stage. The next thing I'm going to point out has already happened, so let's back it up a little. What I'd like you to look out for this time is actually the point that the Honda driver in front brakes. It's quite interesting, this. It's after the collision and after they've steered. So can it be argued that the Honda driver didn't see the white van? No, because they steered before the collision. Have a look again. Do you think this collision happened on purpose, or do you think there's any other reason? Perhaps mobile phone use? As always, I'd appreciate everyone else's input. Can you come up with any other logical explanation why this crash happened? I know some drivers react with the hands rather than the feet, but...
Really?
Keep safe out there, because there's some strange people about. See you soon.